Stop buying data with star 312 hash unless you want to keep on wasting your money. I've compiled more than 8 codes in which can use to buy cheap data for all network: MTN, Airtel, GLO, 9MOBILE. Okay, this video has all of you in it. So just flow with me, okay? And now how I did this video is to divide it into different segments for 7 days users, 14 days users, 30 days users. Now I know most people prefer to buy data once in a month. Just if it's today, you buy it today, it's until the 20, whatever of next month, or just the next month you are going to, get data again. Some people want to buy data every week. Some people want to buy every 2 weeks, depending on how much they are willing to spend at that point. Okay, so that's why I had to categorize this video for you guys. And see, the good thing about this thing, for all network, in some code I'll show you, you can buy, 7.5 gig with 1000 naira. Some code you can buy 9 gig with 1000 naira in this video, yes. So make sure you flow with me to the very end. And guys, if you want to get started, to be sure or to tell me yes, you want to get started, just give the video a thumbs up and do not forget to click on the subscribe button below, because after this video, I'm going to be creating more and more videos like this for free, even airtime. I'm working on apps that give you free airtime and free data. Okay, not yours cheap. So make sure you click on the comment below and turn on the notification icon. So when I create those videos, you guys will be the first to get notified. Okay, right now, let us get started. Okay, so the first one you need to type is dial star 312 star 88 hash. As you can see, it says you will be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan. Now, this is 1.5 gig for 200 naira. So let us assume you spend 1000 naira for data. I'm going to do this in 5 places. So 200 times 5 is 1000, right? Then 1.5 times 5 should be 7.5 gig, all right? Which is, with 1000 naira, it is 7.5 gig. Now, let me show you guys something. Now, this one is for MTN users. I'm going to do it one after the other. So normally, how I usually buy data before was star 312 hash. When I go to data plan, then I go to daily. 1000 naira is for 3.2 gig, but with this method, 1000 naira is for 7.5 gig. Remember, I told you 7.5 gig. I'll talk about 9.19 gig. Even for other platforms, you guys should just flow me. So, and this one I showed you guys right now, star 312 star 88 hash. If I keep on doing this over and over again, there is no limit to this. So if you spend, let's say, 3000 naira monthly on data plans, you can just do this about 15 times. And don't even say, do it 15 times is much. No. You are looking for how best you can buy cheap data. So within 10 minutes, I have done this thing sharp. Just type, 10 minutes. Even less than 10 minutes, I'm done. And for that month, I'm having peace of mind for my data. So the next one on my list is using one stone to kill 3 birds. Right now, why guys say so? You can use this to get, data. They're going to give you a voice bonus and they're going to give you SMS bonus with just one code. All right, so what you need to do is dial star 312 star 10 star 1 hash. Okay, so now one thing, as you can see, you have, it's called family plans. Okay, you get 3000 naira for 10 gigabyte worth of data plus 100 minutes and 100 SMS. Okay, so if you're someone who you don't really spend, much time online, right? But you still want to get both data, both call and SMS, then this is the best one for you. Okay, and the next one, you have 5000 naira for 20 gig plus 300 minutes plus 100 SMS. With 10,000 naira, you're going to get 750 minutes call time. And guys, this one is actually for Airtel users. Okay, the first one I did was for MTN users. This one now is for Airtel users. Remember, I told you guys I'm doing it one after the other, so that everybody's going to, partake in this. Okay, nobody's left out over here. Okay, so now the next one on my list, let me flip it and see. Star 121 hash. Now over here you have 3 options to choose from: top deal for me, data for me, and small data. I'll talk about every one of them. Let's go with top deal for me first of all. Now this is enjoy 2.25 gig for 1000 naira. I think this is very bad, because even when I tried the star 312 hash, it gave us 3.2 gig for 1000 naira. So this is very poor. Okay, however, this top deal for me changes every single day. There's a point where I was seeing 900 naira for about more than 5 gig. That is it. Like, so maybe it depends on the day I'm making this video. If you check yours might even be 1,000 naira for maybe 5 gig. Do you understand? So it all depends on your SIM card and even the day or what's your network have for you installed that day. Okay. So the second one is data for me. Now over here you have get 14 gig for 35 and get 5.5 gig plus 5 voice minutes for 25. So this one also, it all depends on your SIM card because I'm currently shooting my Samsung and my MTN. I have like 2 or even 3 MTN SIM card, and my MTN over there, whenever I type this, it shows me only number one, which is 14 gig for 35. Okay, but over here now we can see number one, number two. So it all depends on, like I said, your SIM card, how old or new it is, and the tariff plan you are on. Okay, so let's really go back. Then last one, this VS for me is just like all this normal MTN, put 200 naira to win car and put 300 naira to win 10 million. That is not what we're doing here. So go to smart data. This is for smart people. And if you're watching this video, it means you don't want to spend data. You don't spend money, so much money buying data, then it means you are smart. Coming from smart self. So yeah, let's go with it. Smart data now. Now this has 7 days offer and 30 days offer. While on the center of my Samsung over there, it gives me 1 day offer, 7 days offer, and 30 days offer. Remember, I talked about sharing all these things for you guys, depending on the one you want. Okay, now this is the one that's for MTN users actually here. MTN users, so check it out. Now for GLO users, GLO actually called me. That was I think last week or last week, I think, yeah. So the very first one they told me was around, I think I should dial okay, star 312 star 2 hash, star 312 star 2 hash. But that one is 5,000 naira plan. And I've forgotten how many gigs she told me. Then apart from that, what you're going to now also type for GLO is also dial star 312 hash. Now don't worry about typing the star 312 hash. You will see where I'm going to. So now instead of going to buy data, which is number one, like you guys always do, what you're going to do is to click on my G bundles. Okay. Click on my G bundles. And over here it's for WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Boomplay, Snapchat. Now this is like social media bundle. So 100 naira for 400 MB plus 1 hour 1 day, right? So this one, I think this one only for social media platforms. Okay, but personally, I don't like this. But you can also let me know in the comment section if you should be going for this one as a GLO user. All right. So it all depends on what you guys want. So let's go back and now we check on app offers. Click on number 7, which is app offers. Okay, so over here, it's going to give you 100 gig bonus data. Now, I've gotten my own already. And when I got my, what I used to do was to update my, I think my iOS, my macOS, my Samsung, everything. I updated all my apps, right? But so the scope, if you want to do this is for the app. Remember, you have to download the app as a GLO user and put in your details, right? Your number, your name, and the rest of them. And they're going to give you this data. Okay, it was how you should do it is do it around, let's say, 1 a.m. Now, it is going to expire 11:59. So even if you do it 11 p.m. today, 11:59 p.m. it's still going to expire. So do it around maybe 1 a.m. so that you can enjoy the whole day browsing. Okay, and this when you maybe want to download, if you're a movie lover, get all the movies you want to download, get it ready. If you are a game lover, Call of Duty that has this heavy gig for update and everything, get it ready. You have not updated your software, get everything ready, and make sure you finish the whole really good. This may be impossible, but just try your best to make the best out of this. Okay, and apart from that, if you check out the app, they also have lots more bundles, right? Like GLO tend to give us actually more of all these offers on their app because they want us to use their app alongside MTN. The best way to get data also is to check out the offers on the app itself. All right, so having shown you guys this one for the app, let us go back. Let's go back so I can talk about the remaining ones. Okay, I still have more. I still have more codes for even GLO apart from this one I showed you guys. I have for MTN, I have for Airtel, I have for 9MOBILE. So you guys should still follow with me till the end of this video so that we can get the best of all this data. Okay, and guys, if you're watching this video at this point and you have not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Come on, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon. So when I create more videos like this, you guys will be the first to be notified because trust me, this period when I talk about, gadgets, Techno, Itel, Infinix, and the rest of them, right, I am also talking about how you can get all this free data, free airtime, right, so that you can be watching all those videos too, all right, and they're saying, okay, which one you want to go for, and, everywhere again online, right? Yeah, so let us go to the next one, which is roaming offers to data roaming or combo roaming. So I think that combo roaming is going to be for both airtime and data. Okay, but this one is going to give you 25, which is 50 MB for 3 days. 50,000 is equal to 6 gig for 60 days. So if you pay 50,000 naira once, they'll give you 6 gig for 60 days. That should be 360 gig for 50,000 naira. Wow. I think this is actually very fair. But one thing about this is they'll be giving you 6 gig every day, right? And I think they also be rolling it over. So what this means is once you pay for this, right, and you're not able to finish the whole 6 gig per day, right, they can also just move it over to the next one, like to the next day. So whatever you have, if you have like 1 gig remaining today, the next day they're going to give you 7 gig and you keep on enjoying your data over there. Yeah, so I think this method over here is actually very nice. So you guys should also try it out. All right, let us move on to the next one. All right, so the next one over here is number 9, which is the always on data plan. Okay, let me even drop this first of all so I can impress this very well. And over here, I think it's also similar to the previous one, which I did, which is roaming offer, where you have all this daily bundle. So where you say 7,000 for 45 gig, which is 1.5 gig daily. I even think this one is better because when I did the MTN one was 9,000 naira for 45 gig daily. So GLO one is actually more affordable than that of the MTN. All right. So I think this one for the always on data is better than that of the MTN. Okay. So before I keep on talking about GLO, let's move on to the next, network. All right. So I think I will just talk about let's go with MTN this time around. Yeah. So just dial *312*87#. And over here it says you'll be charged 15 naira for this purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14 days plan, which is 15 naira equals to 450 MB. And if I to calculate it, 500 naira for 4.5 gig times 2 is equals to, that's 1,000 naira I told you guys about for 9 gig worth of data. All right. And you can do this over and over and over again, as much as you want. All right. And I think this is actually one of the best plans so far if you're an MTN user, right? And this is a 14-day plan. So just do it. Once you just do it, after 2 weeks, do it again and again and again and keep on enjoying your your data. Okay, so guys, before we move on to the next one, if you're looking for where you can get your gadgets, right? Your iPhone, your Samsung, Google Pixel, even if it's Techno, Itel, whatever phone it is, check out my page on TikTok, Mavon Gadgets. Yes, over there, I saw all those gadgets for you guys. And the reason why I started doing this is because most people have been coming to my DM telling me smart tips. They are scared of being, scammed. Even I've created tons of videos for how you can avoid being scammed when you're going for any phones like this, right? But people still keep on falling for this computer village boys. Yeah. So I felt okay. Let me help you guys and so that you guys will have peace of mind. And that's why I have start selling all this stuff. So once you check my page and let me know what you want, if you are getting this at a very affordable rate, yes, I'm not just affordable, you are getting a legit device from me. You are not getting anything refurbished or the one that once you go home, you start having heart attack. Okay, so affordable, reliable, and also you have peace of mind. So check out my TikTok page, move on get it, and let me know in the comment section or my DM, anyone at all, the phone you want to go for, and I will reply you ASAP. Okay, so let us continue. Now, for Airtel users, dial *312#. Okay, then go to my area. Then I'll select, any of the data plan that is, available to you guys over there. Okay, this one is also going to be limited for certain people, depending on your tariff plan, depending on how old the SIM card is. Okay, and the next one you can also do for Airtel is to dial *312*561#. And over there, you're going to be getting 2 gigabytes worth of data for just 300 naira. And if I check it, that is about 900 naira for 6 gig. right? Which is still fair in terms of you are going for the normal 1000 naira for 3 point something gig. So about times 2 of your normal data codes, right? Yeah, so this is how you can do this. This I want to talk about 9 Mobile. Okay, and guys, this video is getting too long. My screen recording over is showing me 22 minutes. Man, I wouldn't want these videos to be so long, so I think I'll just pause here. But what you guys need to do, because I still have more, it's just one out of many. I still have more, right? So what I want you guys to do is to, first of all, let me know which one works for you and which one don't work for you. And also like this video and click on the subscribe button below so that when I, upload the next one, you guys will be the first to get notified, right? Because I'm still working on, more and more codes and creating more videos for you guys. Okay, so guys, I'll see you in the comment section what you have to say, and okay, and also see my next video where I share more of these tips for you. So see you guys.